Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, we have another Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So let's go ahead and cut the tape, y'all, and see what it is. It's a small item in a small box, so this should not be a long video. And once you see it, you will probably recall this particular silhouette from another video. And it is an Ambler, y'all. The previous one that I unboxed was yellow, not yellow, it was blue in the color denim or jeans. But y'all, this was a color, and I believe I mentioned in the video that I was wanting the red. But at the time, only the blue was on sale for almost half the price as the other colors. So when I saw this one come up and go on sale as well, it wasn't as low as the blue one, but I know that they don't stay on the website forever. So this is the information for it. This is the Belvedere Ambler in the color red. This was 15 of 103 and ship or date of September 27, 2024. So I am going to unwrap it and show you all the details of the Ambler. This is such a very, very well made bag, y'all, and the leather feels so good on it. That's another close-up at the information and the coating for it. And the way that this particular bag was designed is that you don't have to have any accessories for it as far as like a wallet or pouch or anything. Everything is built in. So I'm going to give you a close-up of it, a better close-up of it. It does have the outside pocket with the metal Dooney and Bourke logo plate there. Hardware for the crossbody strap. And then if I were to unzip the front compartment of it, it does have the strap here inside, attached to the key leash. And let me cut the key leash from the strap so that it won't keep dragging the bag along with it. I almost cut the leather. Don't want to do that. Okay. So what I mean by you don't have to have any wallet or any really accessories with this is that everything's built in, y'all. So you have a full slip pocket here on the back and 6 card slots just right there alone, in addition to the slip pocket on the back. And then on the front side you have a zipper pocket with a slip pocket in front of that. So it's like pouches and wallets, card cases, you really don't have to have anything in here. Everything's built in. So you're really just putting in your additional items, like your phone can fit in here, and I can show you how my phone fits in this bag as well. And my phone is about 7.5 inches in length. That easily fits in here with no problem. And I will put the measurements for the Ambler on the screen as well. So just putting my phone in here, there's still room. Like, that didn't take up any space. So even with having my cards back here on this wall and anything in this slip pocket, anything in the zipper pocket, there's still room to put additional items and then easily zip it up with no problem at all. I don't know why this bag isn't as popular. I don't know if maybe because of the size. I'm really not sure, but it's such a well-designed and well-made bag. The leather feels so thick on it. The stitching, like, everything stands out in this bag. So on the back side, still with the double zip, just like on the front. The dust bag is in here. And then additional card slots. So 6 additional card slots with another slip pocket. And the Ambler also comes with an actual card case that matches the bag. So you have another zipper pocket here. And the sticker The sticker and registration card is in here. I don't know if that's coming up clear or not. With the registration card. And it does have Dooney and Bourke on this slip pocket as well, if that could focus. So all of this room, y'all, that's 12 card slots total. 2 slip pockets on this side, another zipper compartment, and then you have the card case for it. So even if you don't carry this card case with this bag, because it already has so many built in, you get another card case with this that you can absolutely carry inside of another bag very easily. And this is the same gold Dooney and Bourke print that's on the inside that I was trying to get to focus. And this has 3 card slots. Looks like some glue there. And another card slot here for your ID. And then center compartment if you want to put bills there, cash or coins there. And let me slide this back in here. And so you can carry this bag without the shoulder strap by just the top handle alone. Or you can add the shoulder strap to it or crossbody strap. But I think this is such a cute purse. It can absolutely hold your essentials with it. I showed you it can hold your phone, your cards. You have room for keys, lip gloss, ink pens, whatever else you want to put in here as far as essentials. You're not going to fully pack this bag. So I know it's been out for years. I just don't know why it's not amongst the popular items for Dooney and Bourke small bags. The Bitsy is an absolute favorite, of course. This one doesn't have feet like the Bitsy, and it's of course a different silhouette. The Bitsy is a satchel. But y'all, this is just such a cute purse to me. So I'm glad I was able to get the red and have the blue as well. If any other color, if they bring it back with any other color on sale, I would absolutely consider another color as well. But so far with just the blue and the red, I'm good with it. Let me check the Dooney.com site to see if this is still on there or if they have a different Ambler, because this is the Belvedere leather Ambler. The other one may be canvas that's on there now, so let me take a look and see. I did not see it on the website, so I did just take a look. Excuse me. The only Ambler on the website is currently the Alpine Ambler, and that's from the Odds and Ends collection. So the Belvedere Ambler, like I said, they bring it on sometimes, and sometimes you may be able to find it on Amazon, which is where I initially saw it. Probably a couple years ago now it's been, in the color taupe. And I did not get it at that time. It was a very good price on Amazon. And so when it became available on I Love Dooney, I was able to grab the denim one, or jeans is the name of the color. And this red one here, it came up on the Dooney.com site on sale a little while after the jeans was available. So this is a better look at the strap with the gold hardware. Excuse me, it is adjustable. So there is a buckle on this side and then a buckle here as well. So I can lengthen it. You can have a good long crossbody strap, or you can take one of the buckles out and have a shorter strap, or just carry it as a shoulder bag. But it is so cute to have the option of wearing it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Or like I said, just carrying it without the strap and only carrying it by the top handles. Very adorable bag to me. Let me know if you all like the Ambler as well. If this is something that you would consider adding to your collection, especially with it being a more petite bag. But I think the way that it's designed on the inside and the outside, 2 double zip sections, all the card slots inside and still room for it to hold more, I think that is an absolute great combination of features that makes up this beautiful silhouette. Let me see if my cell phone slides on the outside. It can hold it. It won't go all the way off in there, but I can put my phone there if I want to be hands-free for a moment. So, or on the back. But that's it, y'all. This was a quick unboxing of the Dooney and Bourke Belvedere Ambler in the color red. I hope you all enjoyed this video with this cute bag. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing my content, y'all. I really do appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. So as always, have a very, very wonderful day. The key leash is on the front. Okay, it is in there. I just did not point it out. Always gotta double check, y'all. It's in there.